Good morning people and welcome back to another vlog. So today vlog is all about this resort that we are staying in. We booked this resort called Firangi Pani. You know those days on trip when you don't want to do anything? That was us on our last day in Langkawi, and we wanted one slow day before flying to Kuala Lumpur. Therefore, we booked a beachfront resort, Firangi Pani, for our last day. And honestly, it turned out to be just what we needed. Let me tell you about the resort first. It is located in Pattaya Tengah, just about a kilometer from Pattaya Chenang, and it felt like a best mix, close enough to the lively Chenang vibes, but with its own private beach that stayed peaceful and quiet. We checked in pretty late after the sunset cruise in the evening. It was a long day for us, and we were so tired that night that we did not explore much. We had booked a garden view deluxe room, which costed us around 8,000 INR for 3 people without breakfast. Just a quick look at the room made us really happy about our choice. The room was spacious with nice dressing area outside the washroom, a feature wall that gave it a bit of character, and a cute terrace for the morning coffee. The washroom was decently clean with overhead shower. The room in general was clean, comfy and just easy to settle into. Good morning. और आज हमारी सच में मॉर्निंग बहुत गुड हुई है बिकॉज हम सो के उठे हैं आज सुबह 10:30 बजे एंड 10:30 बजे उठने के बाद ही द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट वी डिसाइडेड कि हम जाएंगे इस रिसोर्ट के पूल में बिकॉज रिसोर्ट का पूल इज़ वेरी वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. The real experience started the next morning. The highlight was outside the room, of course. The beach front is gorgeous for this resort. We spent time between the private beach and the pool, and it was just the kind of calm day we were craving for. We'll keep our stuff here and we'll go and enjoy the pool. There are other people also. And we have a beach also to enjoy. So we'll do some tanning work today. It felt like we had all the time in the world to enjoy it.
एक मछली
पानी में गई
वो छपाक नहीं करता है.
आ जाओ ना आ जाओ. One. Look at the view and the fact that this is a private beach line. You'll not find many people here, so you can just enjoy. हमने बहुत पैसे खर्च कर दिए अननेसेसरी. वो आपने अगर हमारे पूरी ट्रैवल ब्लॉग सीरीज देखी होगी तो वुड नो कि कार एक्सीडेंट से लेकर के पार्किंग चालान तक सब कुछ हुआ है हमारे साथ ऑन अ ड्राइव इन लंकावी. सो अब ये हमारी ट्रैवल पार्टनर घर वालों के लिए सोवेनियर्स कलेक्ट कर रही है ऑन द बीच. There is an in-house cafe which is also worth mentioning. We had a shake there and it was really good. Honestly, even if आप बजट पे ट्रैवल कर रहे हो, एक दिन just keep one day for such activities so that up towards the end of your trip you can just unwind yourself and relax in such a scenic view and forget everything chaotic that happened on the trip. So इस beautiful नज़ारे के साथ में हम लंकावी को बाय बोल रहे हैं. The checkout was at 11 in the morning, so we went up to freshen up and do the formalities, but we will still be here for some more time and explore the other parts of the resort, starting right from the reception lobby. I really liked the lobby space. They even had a bookshelf tucked in there if you want to pick something for the quiet treat. They also had other amenities like kids play area, gym and table tennis. I really loved this place. It was calm, quiet and positive. The staff were warm and friendly, always smiling, and that made everything feel easy. It is not about the luxury here, it's about the comfort, space and the freedom to do nothing. Overall, the vibe of Firangi Pani Resort is slow and peaceful. Nothing fancy, but everything positive. It is a kind of a place where you can lie on a shack, listen to the waves, and not feel guilty about doing absolutely nothing. And that's exactly what we did. A proper recharge day before we took off for KL. If you're planning your Langkawi trip and want a day just to slow down, this might be the spot for you. Would you spend a day like this before heading back to the city life? Let me know in the comments. Since this was our last day in Langkawi, we had a flight back to Kuala Lumpur in the evening with Air Asia. After checking out from the resort, we did our web check-in. It's open for up to 1 hour before the departure, and you can even adjust your booking there if you want to add some meal or extra luggage. We, for one last time, went to our favorite Italian restaurant in Pattaya Chenang and enjoyed the delicious pizza and pasta.
So हम वापस अपने favorite Italian place पे आए हुए हैं for a pizza and I think we repeated the same order this time and it is in the main area of Pattaya Chenang. One thing that I like about traveling to Southeast Asian country is यहाँ पे 7-Eleven होता है. It was there in Hong Kong also and it is here in Malaysia also. And यहाँ पे जो सामान मिलता है ना खाने पीने का इतना सस्ता मिलता है. So if you want to grab some ice cold splash or hot coffee in the evening, just head down to the closest 7-Eleven near you. Like हम अभी जा रहे हैं 7-Eleven के स्टोर के बाहर है to get some slush.
On our way back to airport, we also stopped at a viewpoint near the airport to take the panoramic coastline, uninterrupted blue water as far as you can see. A perfect last memory of Langkawi, I would say.
It's departures. Let's go.
At the airport, the process is mostly self-service. There are machines for check-in and then you could just drop off your bags. One thing to keep in mind is that Air Asia is really strict about the baggage weight. So make sure that you are within the limits to avoid the extra charges.
Exactly 7 kgs. Yeah, we have one more bag to check. And this. Okay. We got it exactly. But अब 100 ग्राम के लिए तो they won't create a issue, right? So let's go.
We had not pre-booked the meals, so we just grabbed something quick from the convenience store at the airport. The airport itself is very small, honestly. You can just step out of the waiting area and almost immediately see your flight right in front of you. And just like that, bye-bye Langkawi. It was truly fun. But the trip doesn't stop here. In the next video, I will be showing you how to get from Kuala Lumpur Airport to KL Central the easiest and the cheapest way. So don't forget to like, subscribe and stay tuned. See you next week.